Alright, you guys, this is Jonathan with C&J Family Adventures. Just want to stop by and give you guys something. I think I'm only going to have to end up replacing my O2 sensor. Let me show you guys what it's doing here. I haven't ran it in a while. Let me find the fuel pump right quick. 1 second. There it is. Starts up. Runs for a split second. You guys listen to it. And you can hear it. It dies down. Quite sure it has something to do with the O2 sensor. You guys remember I ended up replacing the idle air control valve as well as the MAF sensor over the summer. And the last thing that I needed to do was replace the O2 sensor, and I believe it's going out because once you actually get it going, you have to hold the throttle a little bit just to let it run until it heats up, and then after that it idles just fine. So we're going to see what happens if we replace this O2 sensor. Alright, let's see if I can get you guys in a good spot here. Couldn't find my wrench this big, so we're going to use a pipe wrench just to break this in. Yep, we'll use this pipe wrench so we get some leverage to get it broken. Let me see, I think I'm actually tightening it. Let's go this way. Yep, I had it right the first time. One second, just look at the new one. Yep, right the first time. Go to the left. Oh. Not to cut my hand. Alright guys, we're back. This has been a couple of weeks since I first tried the attempt to remove the O2 sensor. What I ended up having to do is once it broke off, ended up having to drill into it to remove everything that was on the inside of it, and I ended up hitting it enough with a hammer to push everything through the exhaust pipe and then fall out the other side. So this is all that's left of the old O2 sensor. I had to end up see all the shavings on it, and end up drilling it, cutting it in half. So we're gonna put this thing back in and see if that solves my idling issue. All right, you guys, Jonathan here as an update.
Hey.
We're in the process of trying to chase these threads out, so we're gonna give this a try. So here we are. We're going to give it a try and see if we can make some better threads to get this O2 sensor on.
Hey.
Let's go.
Hey.
Alright, you guys, as you can see, we got the new O2 sensor in. Used a little bit too much in overseas, but it went in there. So we're going to put it back in there. Here's the tool, as you can see. Alright, you guys. Finally got the Exhaust pipe put back together, springs on. Trying to tighten up these bolts that mount to the head, and we'll get her started. I'm gonna give these a couple of more turns to make sure this is tight, and we'll fire it up and see what we got. And that's it on that one. That's it there. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's prime it. Alright, let's turn it over and see what happens. Alright, one more time. It looks like it's in there tight. I think we're in business. What I also need to do is get some fresh gas in this thing. This gas has been in here since before Thanksgiving, so let's see if we can siphon out the old gas and put some fresh gas in, and we'll give her a test run. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys for taking the time to look at my videos and comment. Thank you guys for the people that commented and liked and subscribed to the channel since I've been doing this, so I appreciate it. We'll see you guys next time, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.